Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted files on Windows 10, Windows 10, 8, 7 and maybe XP. I'm not really sure if this application is compatible with Windows XP, but for Windows 7 it's totally compatible. So you're gonna click the link that I have link in the description, of course. Click download free version. It's gonna take you down here. Free download. Then download from file hippo and click download latest version. So I did not tell you what Recover is. Maybe you will ask what it is. Recover is an application that it searches your USB drive, hard drive, your computer, or your phone. I'm not really sure about phone, but totally works with USB drive and with your computer. So it searches permanently deleted files that you have deleted by accident, and you cannot find them. You cannot find the backup, or you cannot recover it. So that's the application right here. And once you have downloaded, open the setup. Click yes. It will say the user account control. It does not show it on the recording. And right here, just click no thanks, I do not CCleaner. If you have CCleaner or you do not want it, then click install and then run it. I won't click install because I have it right here already. So open the application, and right here, if you do not want to show the wizard on startup, just check this option. I'm going to check it. Click next, and right here, if you want to search something specific, choose it from here. I'm gonna check all files. Click next. Right here, choose your specific location. If you have a USB drive, or if you have something else, like as it says right here, media card or iPod, just check these options, or my documents, or in the recycle bin. So if the I'm not sure option is just searches the whole computer. So I'm gonna check where is it, my flash drive right here. Click next, and here I recommend enabling checking the deep scan option, because if you do not check it, the scanner will finish pretty fast and won't find many files that you have deleted. So I recommend enabling it, checking it, whatever you want to call it. Click start, and it will depend how much time it's going to take. Mine took about 10 minutes. I have a 16 gigabyte flash drive, so it took about 10 minutes with deep scan. Without deep scan, it will take about like 1 or 2 minutes. So I have to tell you about about when you have deleted the files. What I mean, like if you have deleted files like a year ago and you search it right now, Recover won't find many applications, because these files are destroyed in the memory chip of your flash drive, and won't find it. Like if you deleted some files like a month ago, it will find all or whatever you have deleted. Like if it's 1 year old, it will not find as many things. Like I tried to Recover like a year ago, I'm pretty sure. My flash drive got deleted, like old photos that I had from like 2008 with my grandparents and with my family, and I downloaded and installed the application. I searched the whole USB drive and found like, I'm pretty sure, 1,000 photos. And right now I just scanned the USB drive before I made the recording and found only one file, one photo. So like 1 year ago I had 1,000 photos found. Right now I had one photo. It's the exact same USB drive. I'm not joking to you. Like if you delete something accidentally, download this application and search your USB drive as fast as possible. So as it says here, that's everything I had to say, of course. And it says right here, estimated time left 15 minutes. So I'm gonna see you when the scan is done. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, this scan finished and took about 12 minutes, and it's quite a lot of time because we had enabled the deep scan. And yeah, this is only 16 gigabyte flash drive. Imagine if it's a 64 gigabyte, it will take more than an hour, of course. So we'll show all the options right here. Just click the switch to advanced mode, so you can see right here. And if you check the option all files and you want to see like specific option, just check pictures right here, and as you can see it has only one picture. I do not know what picture is this. I have no clue. And as I said, 1 year ago it had like 1,000 photos right here. Good thing that I scanned the USB drive and I saved them on my phone and on the computer. I'm pretty sure this is the folder here. So if you see like the green icon right here, that means the file is in good condition. If it's like I forgot what it is, I'm pretty sure if it's like red, the file it's dead, like you cannot open it, you cannot access it. And if it's orange or yellow, what it is, it's like a 50-50 situation. It may open, it may not. So if you see like red, it won't open. If you see yellow or orange, whatever it is a 50-50. And if you see a green, it will totally open, depending on what it is. So thank you guys for watching, and like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next week. And of course, this video will be uploaded this week, so I mean in Friday, so it means it's three videos in a week, so that's a good progress. So in the next week let's hope that we upload 2 videos. I do not know what I will make yet, but we'll see. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next week. See ya.